For you. Go pressure. Go pressure, Mon.
Watch then. Pressure.
Okay. Read it, read it.
Nice, Juju. Recover. Good win. Juju, go. Juju, take it. You got it. Go forward, Mon. Go forward. Nice. Go pressure. Fill space. Fill space. All right, that's good. Fall.
Mark up, mark up.
Read it.
Right, remember, fill that space. Yeah, guys, slippery. Mon, we good? All right. Go.
Nice catch.
Go.
Nice.
Walk.
Beautiful.
See Mon, release. Good. CJP. Great ball.
Nice.
Great pass, Solomon.
Go forward, JP. Go forward.
Stay on the floor.
No, that's it's not. Get in
Juju.
there. Shot. Beautiful, Juju. Nice save. Nice. Good hustle, Evan. Great shot, Juju. Fall back. Good stuff, guys.
Read it.
Read.
Nice.
All right, unlucky. Good recovery. Take space, Mon. All right, go two. Go middle. Alec, get space.
Ale, talk with Mon.
Good hustle, kid.
See, Jaden, that's you.
CJP. Go two.
There it is.
Oh, beautiful. Well done, keeper. Beautiful, keeper. Beautiful.
That was like a slam dunk save.
Keeper. Well done. Well done, keeper.
I know. But like, use your shoulder.
Hi, Marlo. Hi, Mom.
Like the idea, one touch.
Oh, unlucky. Good effort, guys. Hey, guys, settle.
Watch the
Good
short.
stuff. Good
Watch
stuff.
short. Watch the short.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a lot. Shot.
Don't worry.
Relax. JP, next one, right? JP, relax. Next play. Good stuff. Ale, great pressure.
Here, I'm gonna text him. You way to step in, Evan.
Nice, Evan. There you go.
Two Evans.
Oh,
Man on.
Good. Nice, Evan. Come on. See Jaden on the run. Go pressure. Keep pressure. Good pressure. He's going for a corner. Juju ball. Nice setting. Back of the D.
Nice, Jaden.
Way to be there, Alan.
Teamwork. I like it, guys. Great catches.
Great crash. Great shot.
I know.
Give them pressure. They're going to on D, just absorb, let your team get back. If you're forward,
Nice, Ollie. Way
go
to
pressure,
step in.
get the mistakes. You are going to be forward. That's what the pressure.
Nice
you got
ball,
Solomon. Get
Ollie.
that.
You and Jaden will figure out who's right.
Nice.
Nice, Mon.
Got it, Lucas.
Nice. Read, Mon. Get in there. Nice.
Nice, Lucas.
Nice, Evan.
Jaden.
Good pressure. Yes, good pressure. Yes, we were going to play him every position. I mean, that would love for him to skip the club game. Not in his club game.
Hey, Cooper. Can you speed up a
Throw.
little bit?
Nice throw, Evan.
Delay. Delay. Yes. Good. Good. Well done. Good job, D. Good delay.
Pressure, Jaden.
You got way to read that, Juju.
Nice, Juju. You got it, Solomon.
Nice.
Nice
Nope.
touch.
No.
Way to stop that play, Solomon.
Good. Good no call, Brandon. Come on. Stay on your feet. Come on. You know, Brandon knows that he's not going to fall for that.
Juju, Solomon, talk.
Beautiful! Well done, Brandon. Way to be there, JP.
Go, JP.
Jaden.
Nice, Jaden.
Jaden, way to follow that to the line. Good stuff.
Nice, GP.
For becoming a rec instructor. Or a coach instructor. It's a nice one.
Nice, GP.
That is an action. Yes,
Nice.
Jaden.
Nice, Jaden. You got GG. Unlucky, unlucky.
Juju, watch 24. Watch the through ball.
A little gratuitous. Gratuitous, but it works. Yeah, corner, we had that.
Martinez.
Yeah.
But you see. Thank you, Coop. I appreciate it.
Read the bounce, read the bounce. Delay. Go ball, go ball, go ball. Go ball. Well done, Bill. Good hustle, Evan.
Nice job, Evan.
Robles, good delay, good delay, good delay. Yeah, so this was the coach instructor shirt I got.
You can be a coach for a coach.
Yeah, I am.
Say that again.
Nice, win, win, win. Come on, pressure, pressure. Great ball.
Nice.
Come on, CJP now. Great ball. Oh, beautiful. Great idea. Yes, great call, Kevin.
Look at Noah.
Pressure. All right, good stuff. Bounce. Well done, Evan.
Pressure.
Nice, Jaden.
Come on. You say Jack or Evan, you got to take a percent chance.
Yeah, that's true.
Come on, pressure. Nice, take pressure.
Win on.
Win it. Win it. Pressure.
Nice, Jaden.
Nice.
Come on, really.
ball.
Yeah, see
You got it,
Ollie?
Solomon.
Send Ollie now. Now. Great idea. Great idea. Go, JP, you're in. Oh. Nice stuff.
Win on.
Run, Juju.
Juju. Talk to Juju. Good route. Come on, Mike, don't run with it. It's all good. Yes, we
Nice.
get it. Yeah. One more step. One more step, okay?
Go way up, go way up.
Nice, Ollie. Great idea. Lucas, great ball. How's it going, give it?
Nice, Evan.
Good, good, G.
Nice play, Evan.
Hey, Jagger.
All right, start warming up. Jack, start warming up, okay? Just a little bit, get your legs going. Cash, going on goal. Read, man. Bounce. Good alley. Good read. Oh, good idea. See JP. JP, watch that last defender. Come on, go. That's good. Great effort. Great idea there. I like it. Good quarter. Great quarter, guys. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff, Dave. Great work. Great ball. Good stuff, guys.
Good job, guys. Water.
All right, guys. Great quarter. Cash, great reading. Way to
Love
stay
the passing.
focused.
The passing and the
Okay.
looks are great.
Yes, ditto. That moving inside, outside, looking for each other. Pressuring on the attacking is great. The delaying on defense is beautiful. Here's what we got this quarter. Cash and goal. Lucas, right back. Evan Bell, left back. Solomon, CDM. Juju, right wing back. Ale attacking mid. Evan Robles, left wing back. Jaden and Jack, figure out who wants to be on right or left. You guys can decide, okay? Forward, you're both forward, okay? Jaden, if you get a couple goals, I might move you back, but get a couple goals first and then we'll talk about that. All right? Solid quarter, guys. Keep that pressure up. Keep that defensive delay. Wing backs, you're doing a great job tracking back. All right? Ale, you're everywhere in the front. Good stuff, all right? Evan, great delays on that. You and Bell switch on this one. If at some point you guys feel more comfortable switching, I trust you guys to talk to each other, all right? But this way you sit back, you get a little more forward. All right, good stuff. Solomon, take us out.
Forward center on me! Forward center on 3! 1, 2, 3!
Forward center!
Blue throw on whistle. Wait for whistle, please.
Keep that confidence up. You're doing great. Good stuff.
That's a great touch, Jack.
Unlucky. Good idea.
Yes, sorry. Did not kick in yet.
Good pressure. Nice, Lucas. Read, track. Well done, Cash. Oh, good effort. Get back. Nice, Cash. Way to cover that post.
All right, I'm gonna come over. I'm gonna go back to third quarter.
Yep. Ah, good idea. Good idea. I like the idea. Ball back, ball back.
Where's my card?
We got no one forward. Come on, your CDM. Okay. Jack D. Stay up. One more year, Jack. One more year. One more year.
Why do you like shove a screwdriver?
Way to be there, Evan. Jack, please, stay forward. Watch 21 to be an outlet. Cash, be ready for this to go in goal. Left foot. Yeah, Ollie, hold it. Good stuff. Hold that near post. He's coming in that near post. Hold that.
Today, but
Unlucky. Hey, Jack, try that left foot. Try that left foot.
yeah.
It's like there's a ball.
Today they had a last minute.
There's a
Oh, great take. Good effort, guys. Good effort. Jack, you all right, Jack?
I've been very.
Win that. Nice, Evan. Great effort, Evan. Way to be there. Way to be there.
No, not one of mine. One of our kids on our team. Sorry. Yeah, so I had to go fast twice.
Set it up. Just like we practiced. Like we practiced. Evan, get closer. There you go. See Evan. Come in. Beautiful.
Good passing, boys.
Great ball. Great idea. Great idea. That is what we worked on in practice. See, Jaden. Let it go. Quicker. Quicker. See your switch, Jack. Look for Jaden. Good, Jaden. You got see Jack in the middle. Jack, give him a run.
Yeah.
Go 2. Great.
Nice shielding, Ollie. Beautiful.
Play with it. See, Ollie drop. Good. I'm up. Good effort. Yes, go, Jaden. You're in. Good stuff, guys. Come on, good talk. Come on, you want to take it? Come on, you got to get back. Go, throw it and get back. Throw stuff. Good stuff. Lucas got this. All right, once you throw, you got to get back quick, okay? Good. See your middle. Jaden, go quick. Go. All right, Juju. Come on, go top of the D. Lucas,
Got this, Juju. Nice try, Ollie. Big corner, Juju.
Good job, Lucas. Oh.
Nice try, boys.
Their passing is looking good. Jack, be ready. Evan, going to the other side. Watch 11.
Way to stay with him, Evan.
See Jaden.
Great ball, Ollie.
Give support, Juju. Oh, good idea. Pressure. And relax.
So in the Minecraft, Steve says, like he was on YouTube.
Good, Evan. Good.
Nice, Evan. Control. Pass.
Win that. See Jack on the run. Go. Ollie, great ball. That was a great idea. Everything but the finish. They're looking good. Win that. And we'll, you're not going to get that. Ten. I might be giving a pen there. No. Jaden, great effort. Yes.
Good. Boy.
Now 30 seconds.
Am I going to be in next year?
Yeah, you're in the next step. Unless you want to sit out. Evan Bell, take it quick. Evan, place it down. Bell, take it. Take the throw.
Evan, go.
We got like 10 seconds. Get it forward.
How's it feeling?
Grab some water. Solid quarter. Good stuff. Good stuff. I'll figure it out.
Good guys.
Good stuff. Good stuff. I thought that was You're working hard. All right, guys, sit. Relax. Grab some water.
The ball hit me in the nose and it hurt so bad.
We saw. We're away.
How is this our field?
I'm going to play you a wing back this quarter.
What about me?
Left. Pull back. All right, guys, grab some water. Relax. Good stuff. Great out. Hey, guys. Guys, come here. Focus. Grab your water and focus. Your passing has been brilliant today. You are looking for each other. You are taking those 2 to 3 touches and looking to get rid of the ball. We are moving the ball really well. I am loving what I'm seeing. Right? Anything that's happening, we're a step off, and that's it. But all the vision is beautiful. Defense, you are doing a great job on delay. Offense, you're a great job applying pressure. Right? Overall, keep doing what we're doing. Hey, that goal kick, I loved it. Everyone who saw our practice was like, that's everything you were working on. It worked out beautifully. Good stuff, guys. Keep going. Captains, what do you got for us?
Yeah, guys, that was a great half. Yeah, just attack them. They kind of have like a slow defense and a weak counterattack. So just attack them. Just try and get the ball to counterattack.
The sun's coming out.
And it
I like
did
solid.
great live. Great pass, guys. Good pass. So just delay them so the attack can come in and see. The sun is getting in their eyes. Try to kick eye to the side that go to the side.
There's a reason why I picked that side first, right? I saw the sun was going to work. Yeah.
Also, I think this is a lockdown as well. They're attached.
Okay. Sounds good. Overall, here's what we got this quarter. Cash and goal. Lucas right back. Evan Robles left back. Ale right wing back. Jaden CDM. Juju left wing back. Bell attacking mid. Jack D right forward. JP left forward. Solomon take a break. Overall, brilliant half. Possibly the best half you guys have played. Good stuff.
Who's sitting this one, Seth?
Solomon.
Thank you. You're good, by the way? Yes, thank you.
Attacking mid. Yep.
Howdy.
How about
Yeah, if you and Jaden want to switch at any point, you guys can work together. He's CDM. So if he goes up a
Card him
little
off.
bit,
I'm sorry.
feel free. You guys can play
It's
together.
not my fault, though.
Okay. Bring it in. Bring it. You got ready, or you got a little more time?
Legendary goal last time.
I have 40 seconds to first whistle.
All right, bring it in. Bring it up.
All right, let's do it.
Guys!
In.
Everyone! In back! Lucas! Ale!
Come on, wake up!
City!
Go over! Let's go! Whoever. You or JP? You or JP?
To know.
Nice. Good win.
Come on, great stuff.
That means
Good passing.
Kicky wing.
What's that? Move the ball.
Hey, let's keep it positive, encouraging. Let's keep it up.
Go pressure.
This keeper is very good though. Like it took you from
Well done, Lucas. Get in there, JP. Talk.
Juju, that's you. Use that left. Nice left.
Good effort, good effort. Juju, good stuff. Pull it back a little if you can. Over, over, over. Outside. Outside. Yes, good. Good. Way to be there, Lucas. Good effort. Watch the bounce going downhill. Watch the bounce. 12.
Call it.
Win it, win it. Always go to ball. Don't give up. I'd rather have you run into each other than give it up. Evan, Juju, go for the ball and then pull out once you get it.
No, we're talking about the baseball game. Cooper and
He's like the number 10 of the baseball team. What's his water?
Yes.
They're one of those
I always kind of wondered though, like, Chico State House on the app.
Yeah.
He, I'm sure he's a very good coach.
long time no see, right?
I do think it's good to like get the news.
Get it up the line. Don't run around it. Nice
Great
catch.
play, coach.
Evan. Don't shoot. Don't run around it. Mark.
You get to cheat what you think. Safest and
Go two. Go two, JP. Gotta go two.
Oh, beautiful.
Jack on the switch.
Look at that throw. Yep.
Oh,
Go through. On Evan. Oh.
Juju, great idea. Go up.
Did you hear the nice touch, Ollie?
I mean, it was all 21.
Right.
Get off. Touch the ball.
Good touch, James.
Good stuff, Jack.
Nice teamwork, boys.
I'm gonna try that like this song from
I've been most concerned about
All right, guys, come on. When we get it, pull it back to the penalty spot. We keep putting it right into the keeper.
Nice, Jaden.
I think they're
One step off every time.
that's just so
I would
random.
delete that. Like, if he gets that first touchdown, it's a different player.
My friend got one of these too, and she had a
Good idea, Jaden.
It's not that we don't want to win, but
That's so
like,
like
I was at the game, it we kind of just talked about this morning.
Juju.
Shot. Good idea. Good take. Good take.
Nice left.
Way to get a foot.
Juju. I like the confidence in you. Watch the drop. Watch the drop. Watch the drop here. Watch 11. Good. Now step up. You're good.
So I described that game, the players, and I said, Cooper, there's no question.
Wait, do you have to pay extra for them?
Myself.
Dog.
Get him. Yep. Good pressure, Evan.
That one for free or do you have to pay?
Time.
Let it go. He's coming. Good. Win that, Bell. All right, stay with it. Pressure.
We have this cushion.
Oh, is that the mind
Good idea.
Nice try.
You're gonna get 2 Happy Meals.
Stay with it.
What do you guys learn?
Nice, Ollie.
I'm gonna put.
There you go, Juju. Go two.
Take space.
she is the boys and I'm the girl.
Pressure. Just get it outside. Outside. Good. Now fall.
Yeah, you so right.
What's it called? So she's gonna get more sleep. If I get one, I'm gonna check them.
It's all right, Cash. Take it off, Cash. That's fine. Evan, right wing back. Holly's attacking it.
Right. Oh, right. I'm on the bench.
Not in mine.
Sandbag.
Ball, get to the ball.
Go, GP. Go, pressure.
They were on foot.
Go to it.
Nice try.
Jack,
Keep it up.
great
keep it up.
hustle, great effort. Relax.
Back up, big kick, you do. Watch flow. Yeah.
Aiden. Look at that drop. Pretty good. Go, Ollie.
At least you can do that.
Unlucky. No, Ollie, unlucky. Good effort. You got him, though. Good effort. You got him. Lots of bounce catch.
No, have him think. I've always wanted it. I'm your uncle.
Here you go.
Bella uncle.
Go two.
You see. So yeah, I've always wanted to try.
But I'm actually kind of big.
They're winning teams.
Who has a ball?
Reed. That's it. Go pressure, Jack. Get there, JP. Good. Go two.
Good. Right there.
Chicken, salmon, salmon,
Good. Win that.
Come on, Jack, pressure!
Take a breath, guys. Come on. Juju.
Get in there. Yeah. So many shots. Just can't get it. We need
getting
a
too
fourth
excited.
goal. We need goal differential.
salmon, you're stretching.
But how much are we winning by?
2-1.
Why do we need 4 goals?
Because we need a +3 goal differential.
How come? Why do we need that?
Just win the game and then we'll be on the other side.
Yeah, that just puts us in a better position.
Yeah. Good job, Evan. Well done.
Good job, Evan. Good job.
I'm gonna be saying yes, no.
I got it!
I'm gonna say yes when our team is doing something good and no when their team is doing something good. Yes.
Get in there, Jack.
Yes.
Evan Bill. Get the goal. JP, be ready.
Guys, don't get too
ready.
excited! No, no, we're getting too excited.
Tell them to not be excited. Practice. Not excited.
Shot. Oh, that's a foul. That's a foul. Brandon, that's a foul.
Come on, Jack! Nice, Jack. Nice, Jack.
Center it. Win that.
Juju. There you go. Shot.
Great ball. Yes. Nice.
Finish that. Come on, guys, grab water. Let's get going. Get some water. Hydrate. Good job.
It's okay. Happens. You're doing good. You're doing good. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, guys. Isaiah, Lucas, right back. Left back. Okay. Juju, right wing back. Jaden, CDM. Jack D, left wing back. Ale, attacking mid. Solomon, right forward. JP, left forward. Two-hander is the back. From 11. All right, guys, bring it in. City on 3. Ale. All right, we'll go. All right, pull up. Cash, let it go. It's all good. Hey, guys, relax. I don't care about the fancy. Just get it done. Guys, get one. Let's get 3 goal difference. Keep the pressure up. Keep the energy up. Solomon, get us going.
Steady on me! Steady on 3! 1, 2, 3, City!
Evan, move us. Left wing back in front of Bell. Right forward. Not forward. Hey, take those shots. Let's get a goal. Follow that. Watch the big punt. Guys, keep the energy up. Keep the energy up. Do it, guys. Evan, quarter. They bring you forward. And forward, Jack. Get out there.
Get another ball, Colbert!
Watch big punt. No, keeper ball in his hands. Jack, stay. Watch 11. He's fast. Win that. No, that's fair. That's fair. I get it. I get it. It's fine. That's fine.
JP.
Go, JP. Talk to him.
It's like every day we feel the win.
Staying in. Staying in. Good job, Lucas. See your lunge. Go two. See your middle. Like that ball. Jack, you're trying to do stuff with the ball before you have control. Get control on the ball and then make your move. Ale, you okay? Go, 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 JP. Get in there.
Oh, chicken.
Oh. Read.
Hawkeyes.
Good. Get there, Jack. Get there, Jack.
Yours. That's yours.
Pressure. Good. Good. Go, 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 go. Jack, leave it. Jack, leave it. Leave it. Holland, go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Great idea. It's a weapon.
Nice.
Oh, there. No.
Watch the coconut.
Win that, Jack.
Watch his arms.
Lucas. There. Yes.
Mark up. Watch 14. Watch 14. Watch 14.
Nice. Go, go, go.
Go two. Pressure. Go, JP.
Piénsalo. There, good move.
You. Get around him.
Yeah,
Go
there
by
you
him.
go.
Go by him.
Oh, good idea.
Oh!
Playing good though.
Yeah, there it is.
There.
Did you get there?
Win that! Good, Ollie. Good pressure. Get there, JP. Go to the ball. Oh, Ollie. Relax. Relax. All right. Pure retap.
He kicked it out and he kept running.
Keep your leg going. Let's go.
We could have turned anywhere, but we didn't.
Ready, guys?
JP. Now. Ah, good Emma. All right, good call. Listen. Good idea.
Let's get one more. Come on. Bring it up, guys. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. There you go. Get there.
Go to it.
Read it. Nice.
Go, JP. Go, JP. Pressure. 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 Good. Our throw. Bell. Evan. Jack. Put it down. Hold back. Right, Evans up. Hold back. Come on, be ready. Guys, let's get one in.
What's the score again?
2-1.
There.
Take that time, JP. JP, take that time, relax. I like the right, but take the time. Bounce.
Get there.
Go. Go, Fares.
Get in front. There. There, good.
Go. Set it, Evan, get there. Get next to him, get the ball. Go. Come on, Cash. Let's go. Great look.
Come on, guys.
Let's go. Go. Throw it. Let's go. Let's see.
Come on, guys.
Come on,
Charge it.
Come on.
Good.
Go, JP.
That's it.
Llega, mijo, llega. Yeah.
Yes, Ollie.
There you go.
Go two.
Get to it. Good job, Ollie.
Yep.
Go back. Atrás.
Nice.
JP, Mango. Pressure. Go, JP, run. Dig. Great effort. Guys, keep the pressure up.
There, good stuff.
Yes, Sullivan.
Oh, come on. Brandon, you missed that one. That was not ball. He went through the man. He went through the man to get him. Jesus. Llega, mijo, llega.
Come on.
Ayuda. Read it. Get forward. Come on.
Come on, guys.
Come on. Send it forward. Get it forward. Get a goal. Let's go. Pressure, JP. Where are we going? You do it too.